Hello there, YouTube. We're back, and this time we're going to do a basic kata, the most basic. The name of this kata is Taikyo Shoda, and this one is intended for a beginner. This is a kata of a white belt from 10Q to 9Q, right? So, and it's a nice way to train also your stances, like the front stance, and then the Gedan Barai, and then the Uizuke. It's a good training tool also for the advanced belt. Alright, so I'm going to do this feel because of a request of one of our subscriber. It's our student, and without further ado, we will do now. Alright, Os. Os. Taikyo Shoda. Ayun. Ich. Ni. Sam. Shi. Go. The. Ich. Huts. Hey. All right, so huts number 8 is the first shouting point in Zenkotsu dance. Number 8. Then prepare to turn. Tighten. Number 9. 9 move. 9. 10. Number 10. From number 9. 10. Next. 11. 12. Same. Uizuke. 12. 13. Go inside. Change direction. 13. 14. 15. 16. Shout. Hey! Alright, so number 16 is the second shouting point. Number 16. Next, 17. 18. 19. 20. And face rock and slowly recover. And Kyosuke, wow, and yon. So in this kata, in this basic kata, there are 20 moves. The first shouting point is number 8 moves, and then the second shouting point is the 16 moves. Alright? Now I'm going to do the opposite side. I face that side. Taikyo Shoda. Yo. Ich. Ni. Sam. Shi. Go. Right? We are going, number 5, we are going inside. 5. Go. Ich. Hey. Alright. So punch, number 8 is the first shout. Next. 9. Haiken, Gedan Barai. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. Number 13, we are facing, change direction, we are facing now, going back. 14. 15. 16. Hey! Okay. 16, the second chop. Make sure to put your punch or your uzuke solar plexus level this way. Zen Kotsuratsu, front stance. 16. Next, 17. 18. 18. 19. 20. And up. Awesome. There you go. Alright, now the key points for a beginner to focus when doing this kata is to maintain your height. Okay? So when you do this way, number 1, 2, you have to maintain height and punch. Do not do this way. Watch. Up and down. No, that is wrong. Okay? Second is your turning. When you turn, maintain your height as well. Do not do this way. 1 and 2. That's a big mistake. So, let's say number 8, first shot here. Then number 9, you turn, maintain height, then this way. This way. Okay? Right. Alright, so if you have comment regarding this topic today, then just put your comment below. And those who are already subscribed, thank you guys for subscribing. And those who didn't yet subscribe, please subscribe on our channel, on our humble channel. And after all, it's free. Alright? So it doesn't cost you any penny. Alright, see you next meeting, guys. Thank you again for watching.